The first thing we have to do in order to use BGuard is to install IIS, or Internet Information Services, on our Windows system. I'm showing you how to do this on Windows Server 2008 R2. We first start the Server Manager software. We will then see the Server Manager screen. What we do then is right-click on Roles and then Add Roles. A prompt then appears from Microsoft explaining what the wizard does. When you have all the information you require, click Next. We're then presented with a list of roles enabled by tick boxes that we can install onto our server. The one we're interested in is this one here, called Web Server IIS. This is a mandatory requirement of the BGuard software. To install this on the server, click Next. You will then see a prompt from Microsoft explaining what IIS is. When you're happy, click Next. There are always default settings, but there are some we have to change, and we'll look at those now. In the Common HTTP Features section, we have to make sure that Static Content is ticked. Then, in Application Development, ensure that all the subcomponents are ticked by clicking here. Scroll down the list until you see the Security section. Here we need to check that Windows Authentication is ticked. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the list where it says IIS 6 Management Compatibility. Click here on this box and make sure all the subcomponents are ticked. For everything else, we can leave the default settings. Click Next. We see some summary information from Microsoft. Then click Install. IIS will then be installed on the server. This process will take some time depending on the specification of the PC. As a guide, this install took 3 minutes, which we have shortened in this edit. The install is now complete, and here we see a warning message informing us that Windows Update is not enabled. That setting is completely your decision. It's not crucial for the operation of BGuard. We can now see that IIS is installed and running on this server. At this point you can click on Close. The next stage, which is covered in Quick Guide 2, is installing the BGuard software itself. Thanks for watching.